We're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a Bradford White 50-gallon natural gas water heater. Got your model number and your serial number right here. You can go ahead and go to bradfordwhite.com, get the documentation filled out, get your warranty going. It's a 6-year warranty, 1 year labor, 6 years parts. Up on top, we went ahead and replaced the valve. It wasn't part of the contract, but the old gate valve, we don't like to leave them in place. They start leaking, so this guy right here, if you ever have trouble, you need to shut this down. It's just a quarter turn off, quarter turn on. It's a Watts 3/4 inch full port ball valve, quarter turn, so quarter turn on, quarter turn off. Brass was already in the wall, which was nice, so we just left that alone. New brass nipple in front, and then out to Falcon stainless steel connectors down to the tank. A couple more brass couplings and nipples here. We like that as the point of connection as opposed to tying into the nipple that comes out of the water heater, because it has plastic heat traps on there that don't really fit real well with the rubber gasket on these lines. So that's good. We did replace the vent pipe, this first portion, the 30-inch piece, and then a shorty up there. You had a couple of offsets and then a piece of pipe. This is honestly straight below the ceiling bucket, so no reason for offsets. So brand new 30-inch piece, and then that's what's left over from your other piece that was in there. We just cut it to length and put it back in. So venting is good. Relief line is back out. Same brass nipple was in. We reused it over to another. This is not a Falcon stainless steel. It's a ProFlow out of Ferguson, and so that just goes over to your relief line and goes out of the house. Everything up here is good. We ask that you monitor for this for leaks. Just check around here occasionally. Make sure you get no water. I mean, you can just look up on top of the tank and see if you've got any water up here. If you do, let us know. We'll come out and take care of it right away. But just make sure that we don't get too much moisture up here, because it'll roll down this tank and get into the burner assembly and cause a lot of problems. So just check that when you can. As per code and contract, you got straps on the upper third and lower third. You did have adjustable straps in place. They were strapped straight in the back behind the water heater. We could have reused them, but part of the contract is putting new straps in. So these are brand new. Again, these are right out of Ferguson, and we've got them remounted to the sides right here. Got it strapped in place. We did not replace the gas valve. We did replace the gas supply line as per contract, so that's in a 1/2 inch OD by 24 inch Easy Flex. Leave this tag on, that's required. Burner is lit, and the water should be hot in about an hour and a half. We did have to reconfigure your relief line a little bit. They had it leaning back at an angle over there to reach the old relief line. We just straightened it up and then went ahead and tied it back together, so that's good. Everything looks good here. Any questions about it, how to operate it, what to do, yearly maintenance, anything like that, just give us a holler. We've got to talk with you about it. Outside of that, this installation is done.